Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is a periodical essay? In this lesson, we will discuss about meaning of periodical essay, history of periodical essay, purpose of periodical essay, form of periodical essay, subject matter of periodical essay, and examples of periodical essay. Now let's discuss each one of them in detail. The first one is meaning of periodical essay. The periodical essay, as the name itself suggests, appears periodically. Periodically here it means from time to time at regular intervals. In other words, we can say it is published at intervals of fixed time in magazines or journals. We have some more ideas. It is not written in a book form. We have the next point, history of periodical essay. The 18th century is considered the great age of the periodical essay in English literature. There's nothing complicated to explain. We have some more ideas. The most famous periodical essayists of the 18th century are, the first one is Joseph Addison, the second one is Richard Steele, third one is Samuel Johnson, and the fourth one is Oliver Goldsmith. We have some more ideas about the same, that is to say, purpose of periodical essay. What is the aim? What are the objectives of writing periodical essay? The purpose of writing a periodical essay is the moral improvement of the society. We have some more ideas about the responsibility of the essayist is to inform the public with richness of his imagination and ideas about existing social evils and challenges. Now we move on to the next. That is to say, form of periodical essay. A periodical essay is a short work of non-fiction. We have some more ideas. Periodical essays are relatively long and reflective. When we say reflective, that is to say, thought-provoking, thoughtful. We have some more ideas. They are compiled by a publisher or editor by assembling works commissioned from or submitted by several authors. We have some more ideas. Subject matter of periodical essay. What is the content of periodical essay? Ideas of periodical essay. The first one is the subject matter varies in wide range of thoughts. They include current events, social commentary, and fashion. We have some more ideas. They may also deal with geographic and architectural features of London and childhood memories and whatever other reverie enters the author's mind. Here, that is to say that the subject matter of periodical essay is in wide range. It may include your ideas regarding geographical locations. You may also write periodical essay about architecture, about your childhood memories, and about whatever enters your mind as a writer. Means periodical essay has a wide range of ideas to include. Now move on to the next, that is to say examples of periodical essay. Tatler, a periodical launched in London by Sir Richard Steele, a very famous example of periodical essay. We have the next one, A Spectator, a periodical launched by both Joseph Addison and Sir Richard Steele. We have Essays of Elia, published in the London magazine by Charles Lamb. These are some of the most famous examples of periodical essay. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.